Hi and welcome back once again to Dr. For Use channel. I hope you all are doing great and you are staying out of trouble and staying safe. So today I'm going to share with you another recipe. I'm sharing with you this TikTok viral pancake cereal recipe. Guys, it's so fun to do. It's like a therapy, like dropping all these pancakes into your pan. They're small like that, a little bit, little by little. It's like a therapy, and I'm telling you, it's a therapy, and I hope you try it with your kids. They are going to love it, and it's going to take some stress away from you. So, let's get into this recipe. Let's get into this therapy together. So, here I have my bowl, and then I just added in 1 cup of flour. I'm sieving it, and then after that I'll just go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more if you want it so sweet, but I'm not that type. I don't really love sugar. And I just added in baking soda and then a pinch of salt. So I'll leave everything that I use in this recipe in the descriptive box below. So here in that bowl I added in 2 teaspoons of melted butter, and then I added in some milk. So what I did to my milk is that I didn't have buttermilk at home, so I added some drops of lemon to the milk, and then I just added 1 egg to it, and I stirred everything together. So here I just went ahead to just add a drop of vanilla essence, which is optional. You can add it or you can just decide not to add it. So here I was just mixing all the dried ingredients together. I'm telling you guys, I said this is just like it's a therapy and it's fun to do it. And here I was adding the milk mixture little by little to it, and then I was just doing it in one direction to prevent it from creating lumps, since I wasn't using a whisk. But guys, this also worked really fine. So I'll just add my milk little by little. I'll leave everything that I use in this recipe in the descriptive box below, along with the measurement and everything. So please do well to check the descriptive box for the ingredients and then its measurement. So here, this is the consistency that we are going for. Just look at how it is. It's so creamy. So this is the consistency that I'm going for. And this recipe needs you will need a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just go ahead and use bread rubber as I'm using, or ziploc bag to do it. So here I just put one side of the rubber inside the cup. I'm just trying to create something like a cone. Yeah, I'm just trying to create something like a cone, just as how the piping bags look like. So here it is. And when you get all your butter in, and then you just uh, tie it very tight, not too tight, but like tie it in a way that it will not unravel. Yeah, like so. So this is it. And at this time, all you have to do is that you see that very tip there, that very end is where you have to cut. Like cut the very end of it, not too big. If you cut it too big, you can control the butter, and then you will have a mess because it will just come in too much and you can't control it. So here I just heated my frying pan. It was a non-stick, so I didn't add any oil to it. If you are using a frying pan that is not a non-stick, you can just add a little bit of oil to it. So here I just added it, and then you let it be on a medium heat, not too, the heat shouldn't be too much. And then when like it starts to form bubbles on top of it, like just like normal pancake, then you turn it, and after you turn it, just don't cook it for more than let's say about 5 seconds, because you don't want your uh, pancake to be too dry. You want it to be moist inside. So here it was all done, and this is how it's looking like. It's looking so nice. So thank you guys so much for watching. So here I was serving my daughter some. Just that one didn't want to go. It just move away, and no throw left behind. I'm going to pick you up. So you can just add it and then add your syrup to it, and you are good to go. I didn't have syrup at home, and I always love to eat my pancakes with pure honey from Ghana. It's pure and natural organic honey, so that is what I'm adding in. So I'm just adding my honey to it, and then it was so nice. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you. Enjoy.